Welcome to Pro News Flash. Crypto recovered to an important milestone, and much more may follow. Let's dive into the latest developments. The crypto market cap has risen by 7.5% over the past 7 days, stabilizing just below the $3 trillion mark. This is an important consolidation of strength in front of a significant threshold in the form of the 200-day moving average. Overcoming this line will attract large active funds, which is an important benchmark. A confident return to the territory above $3 trillion can significantly increase buyer activity. During the week, the cryptocurrency Fear and Greed Index moved out of fear territory and is trying to gain ground in greed, with the latest value at 60. From the end of February to the middle of last week, the index didn't exceed 50. A rebound from extremely low levels often signals the potential for further gains. Bitcoin has already managed to enter the territory of the bull market. With the price fluctuating around 95,000, it has already recorded a confident exceeding of the 50 and 200-day moving averages and exceeding the recent local highs. The downtrend has thus already been broken. According to CoinShares, global investment in crypto funds rose sharply last week by $3.4 billion, the third highest ever recorded. Investments in Bitcoin rose by $3.188 billion, Ethereum by $183 million, XRP by $32 million, and SUI by $21 million, while investments in Solana fell by $6 million. Bernstein predicts that BTC will peak the current cycle at around $200,000 by the end of this year. With inevitable bear periods, Bitcoin will reach $500,000 by 2030 and $1 million by the end of 2033. Supply cuts and a growing corporate hoarding race will fuel growth. Combined ETFs and corporate reserves now hold nearly 9% of BTC issuance. Anonymous cryptocurrency Monero jumped 50% on Monday to 4-year highs. Observers attribute the rise to a suspicious transaction of about 3,520 Bitcoin, $330 million made on Sunday. It said the funds were stolen and promptly converted into Monero, Zcash, and other anonymous currencies. Stay tuned to Pro News Flash for more updates on the crypto market. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.